Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Multi Invoice Screen. The Multi Invoice Screen serves the purpose of creating batches that encompasses multiple invoices. These batches can include invoices for the same debtor but for different days, or they can involve multiple debtors altogether. This functionality is primarily utilized by bureaus to facilitate faster billing processes. In this video, we will start on a Debtors Screen. From the Debtors Screen, click on a Multi Invoice button. The Multi Invoice Screen will open. Please be advised that the Multi Invoice Screen will remain blank until the user adds an invoice. Click on the Add Invoice button located at the bottom right of the Multi Invoice Screen. The Invoice section will expand. Please note that the red warning message will always appear by default when a new invoice is added to notify the user that the invoice header is incomplete. The error will disappear once a debtor has been added to the invoice or when the service center or treating doctor have been added. Click on a debtor search field to search for the applicable debtor to which the user would like to add an invoice. As the user types, a debtor list will populate. Click on a desired debtor to make a selection. The selected debtor's information will populate onto the invoice. The following personal details will appear on the top left of the invoice screen. The debtor number, which is the account number of the person who is responsible for the account. The file number, which is the number associated with a patient's hard copy file. The debtor name. The contact information, such as the email addresses and the cellular number. The medical aid details of the debtor, as well as the outstanding amounts of the account. Next, click on the Add Procedure button. The Billing Item Search screen will open. The user can add the relevant procedure codes for the consultation to be included in the debtor's invoice. Click on a search field to search for the applicable procedure code. As the user types, the procedure code search list will populate accordingly. Click on the applicable procedure from the list. The procedure will appear under the Added Code section, which are procedure codes that will be added to the debtor's invoice. The user is able to remove any added procedure codes by clicking on the red trash can button next to the procedure name. Click on a Close button to return to the invoice screen without saving. An attention pop-up will appear stating that there are unsaved changes. Click on the Cancel button to return to the Billing Item Search screen. Click on the OK button to return to the invoice screen without saving the changes made. Click on the Save button to save the changes made and return to the invoice screen. The procedure code has now been successfully added to the invoice. For more information regarding the invoice screen, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. We will now take a look at the various buttons located on the header of the invoice. Please note that in order to click on the View History button, the invoice the user wishes to view the history of needs to be posted first. Click on a Post Invoice button. The outline of the posted invoice will change to the color green. Now, click on a View History button. The Invoice History screen will open. For more information regarding the Invoice History screen, please refer to the Multi Invoice Changelog user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the invoice screen. Click on the Open Account button. The Account Details screen will open. For an extensive explanation regarding the Account Details screen, please refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Close button to return to the invoice screen. Click on a Repeat Invoice button. The Repeat Invoice screen will open. The user is able to repeat existing invoices to certain dates. Click on a Repeat Dates button. The Date Picker will open, where the user can select the dates the user wishes to repeat the selected invoice. Click on a desired date. Click anywhere on the Repeat Invoice screen except the Date Picker section to close the Date Picker. The selected dates will be listed in the Repeat Invoice screen. Click on the Remove button to remove the corresponding dates from the Repeat Dates list. Click on the Item Line checkboxes to add or remove the item lines from the Repeat Lines list. Click on the Cancel button to cancel the repeat process of the selected invoice. Click on the OK button to continue and make the repeat of the selected invoice. The invoices for the selected dates will be created accordingly. Next, we will go over the various colors outlined on the invoices displayed. The panel of the invoice that is currently being worked on will be highlighted in blue. If an invoice has not been posted successfully, the user can click on the Remove Invoice button to remove it from the Multi Invoice batch. All invoices that have not been posted are highlighted in orange. Trying to post an incomplete invoice will result in the Invoices panel being highlighted in red. An invoice that has been posted successfully will be highlighted in green. Click on a Post All button to post all the invoices that have been created in the batch. Click on a Post All drop-up menu to access the option to Post and Switch All, which will post all the invoices and switch the invoices to the medical aid. Click on a Close button to close the multi-invoice screen without saving. Click on a Save button to save the batch and return to the Debtors screen. We will now take a look at loading an invoice batch on a multi-invoice screen. Click on the Load Batch button to load batches that have not been posted yet. The Batches screen will open. An explanation will now be given for each option. Batch ID refers to the automatically assigned batch number that uniquely identifies a group of multiple invoices created together. Date refers to the specific date and timestamp that indicates when the multi-invoice batch was created. Batch name refers to the title or description assigned to the batch. Created by refers to the name of the user who created the multi-invoice batch. Last name refers to the name of the user who most recently worked on the batch and made changes to it. Status refers to the current position in the multi-invoice process. Number of invoices refers to the amount of invoices that are in the current batch. Invoices posted refers to the number of invoices that have been posted per batch. Actions refer to the various available options that can be performed on the batch, which will now be explained. The Save button enables the user to save any modifications or updates made to the batch. Click on the Save button. An updated pop-up will appear stating that the batch name has been updated successfully. Click on the OK button. The View button permits the user to open the batch, granting access to view, edit, save, and post the batch. Click on the View button. The Batch ID screen will open, where the user can edit, save, and post the batch. Click on the Close button. The Mark as Done button allows the user to designate the batch as completed, indicate that no further changes or modifications will be made to the batch. Click on the Mark as Done button. An attention pop-up will appear asking the user if they are sure to mark this invoice batch as completed. Click on the No button to not mark the invoice batch as done. Click on the Yes button to proceed and mark the invoice batch as done. The invoice batch status has now been updated to display as completed. Click on the Cancel button to close the batch screen and return to the multi-invoice screen. Click on the Close button to return to the Debtors screen.